you ever frozen when you're at a coffee shop or at a restaurant, and the waiter asks, "Are you ready to order?" Let's make sure that never happens again. Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily English Confidence. Today we're going to a restaurant together. This is an easy, slow English conversation for beginners, perfect for listening and speaking practice. You'll learn real restaurant English phrases, how to order food, ask questions, and pay politely. Are you ready? Let's start. Mark, this restaurant looks beautiful.
Yes, I love the lights and the smell of food already.
Are you hungry?
Super hungry. I skipped lunch.
Then this is perfect. Let's go inside. Good evening. Table for two, please.
Of course. Follow me, please.
This table is nice. Look, you can see the kitchen from here.
Oh yes, that's cool.
Now, when you sit down and get the menu, you can say, "Can I see the menu, please?" Say it with me. Can I see the menu, please?
Can I see the menu, please?
Excellent. Always say please. It makes you sound polite and confident. When you need more time, you can say, "Can I have a few more minutes, please?"
Can I have a few more minutes, please?
Perfect. The waiter will understand that you're still deciding.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I think so.
I'll have the grilled chicken with rice, please.
Excellent. And for you?
I'd like the pasta with tomato sauce, please.
Would you like any appetizers?
Appetizer.
Yes. Appetizer is a small portion of food or drink you can order before a meal. It could be a salad, bread, or soup.
Okay. No appetizer for me, thank you.
I'll take the soup of the day, please.
Anything to drink?
Lemonade, please.
Just water for me, please. That was great, Mark. You used "I'll have." It's natural and polite. Remember, this is real English for eating out. Simple phrases you can use in any restaurant. Here are a few more you can practice. What do you recommend? Does this dish come with rice? Can I make it without onions? Repeat after me.
What do you recommend? Does this dish come with rice? Can I make it without onions?
Excellent pronunciation.
Here's your grilled chicken and your pasta. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Thank you. Wow, this looks amazing.
It smells delicious, too.
What do I say if I want more water?
Easy. Say, "Excuse me, can I have some more water, please?" Try it.
Excuse me, can I have some more water, please?
Perfect. If you don't like something, be polite and say, "Excuse me, this soup is cold." "Sorry, this is too spicy for me."
Got it. Polite first, problem second.
Exactly.
How is everything?
It was delicious, thank you.
Yes. Amazing.
Would you like to see the dessert menu?
Yes, please.
Chocolate cake, cheesecake, fruit salad, ice cream,
I'll have the cheesecake, please.
and I'll take the chocolate cake.
When you order dessert, use the same polite structure. I'll have the chocolate cake, please. I'd like some ice cream. Repeat after me.
I'll have the chocolate cake, please.
I'd like some ice cream. Keep practicing. This is your daily English conversation practice for beginners.
Would you like the check?
Yes, please.
Lucy, is it bill or check?
Good question. In American English, we say check. In British English, we say bill. Both are correct. When you pay, here are useful phrases to remember. Can I have the check, please? Can we split the bill? Can I pay with card? Do you take credit cards? Repeat after me.
Can I have the check, please? Can we split the bill? Can I pay with card? Do you take credit cards?
Excellent. You sound polite and confident. Now you'll learn useful restaurant phrases in English for taking food home. Real English for everyday life.
I couldn't finish my rice. What should I say if I want to take it home?
Easy, and say, "Can I get a box, please?" Or, "Can I get this to go?"
To go means take away, right?
Yes, in British English, they say, "take away."
Excuse me, can I get a box, please?
Sure. Here you are.
Perfect. Let's review today's restaurant English phrases. Repeat after us. Can I see the menu, please?
Can I have a few more minutes?
I'll have the pasta, please.
Can I get some more water, please?
The food was delicious.
Can we have the check, please?
Can I pay with card?
Can I get this to go?
Excellent. Now that you can order food, comment below. What's your favorite restaurant dish in English? This lesson was your slow English shadowing practice. Replay it tomorrow. English confidence grows step by step.
Keep learning real English daily. Small practice, big results.
See you next time on Daily English Confidence.